This is Milo Spriggs reporting for the Energy Conservation News Network. With the cost of electricity here in Florida expected to rise as much as 20% over the next 5 years, it's not surprising at all that companies like StyleMark Incorporated are implementing professional energy management services like those provided by Rob Grooms and Lon Teston of Ekon Energy Management Group. StyleMark is actually the largest sunglass company in the world, employing over 900 people across 67 countries. Operations are driven from their 300,000 square foot corporate office and distribution center located in Central Florida. StyleMark recently completed a 30-day panel review of the Ekon Energy Management System from Ekon plc. I recently caught up with Mike Baird, the maintenance supervisor for the home campus, and we talked about the results of the Ekon trial.
Well, what made me want to save my energy cost is our electric bills were rising quite steady, and I couldn't pinpoint where it was coming from. And with everyone going green now, as a company, we wanted to lower our carbon footprint also. So I thought maybe I could. Rob offered the 30-day trial to us, and once everything was installed, what we found was just amazing. We found very high energy consumption just on 1 meter, on one 800 amp switchgear panel, and we were able to look at it in a common sense type of view and approach thermostats, things like this, motors, different things, and within 1 week of after it being installed, we saw the results, and it was continuous for 1 month, and it is still continuous as we continue to now know which part of the buildings it's being monitored, and it's just great. The installation process was very good. With the help of Lonnie and Rob and our IT department and the electrical contractor, everything went really smooth. I like it all. The dashboard's great. You know, you're getting readings. Being able to check all my buildings on my power for reading my KWs, and anything I want, amps, anything. It's just the whole concept of the Ekon is it's just, again, it's so hands-on, and I can determine like before companies wanting to run a second shift, I'll be able to determine now with reading now for the last month, I'll be able to fall back and tell them how much it's going to cost to run a second shift to help them evaluate whether or not it's going to be worth running that. Is it going to be cost efficient for the company to run a second shift? Well, what we're going to attack is AC units, air conditioning. We're going to attack conveyor systems, reducing the usage the motor uses now. We'll look at new lighting as technology grows. I'll be looking at everything. I'm going to involve the IT department now. We're going to be looking at different printers, different copiers, computers, if there's any kind of new technology we want to look at.
Energy improvements made at the test panel actually produced annual energy cost savings of over $10,000, which resulted in complete payback on the cost of the Ekon solution in less than 6 months. StyleMark Vice President of Operations, Don Grindle, was presented with the Investor in Energy Savings Award by Ekon Group Technical Director Lon Teston. Based on the recent rollout of 7 Ekon systems across the StyleMark campus, first-year energy cost savings are estimated to be close to $100,000. Ekon Energy Group is an authorized Ekon partnership. Ekon plc is a global leader in commercial energy conservation strategies and solutions. This has been Milo Spriggs reporting for the Energy Conservation News Network.